Hi guys, today I am going to show you some simple tricks to remember the trigonometrical values. It will be so useful for you. This is so simple that next time you don't need to by heart them. So you could see the table over here. So here all the simple main theta values are written. So theta is an unknown angle. So above this table, right, 5 fractions: 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. After you write these fractions, find the root of each fraction. So, if you find the root of this fraction, first root will be 0. Second root will be 1 by 2. Third will be 1 by root 2. Fourth will be root 3 by 2. Sorry if you don't understand here, but next in the table I will write it clearly. Here it's not so easy to write. And fourth one will be 1. So you got values of these roots. So if these values of the root will be the values of sin theta. So here 0, here 1 by 2, here 1 by root 2, here root 3 by 2, here 1. If you go check your this trigonometric ratio values, this will be correct. So you found the sin theta value. Now, if you want to find cos theta, just write the reverse of this. So for 90, if theta is equal to 90, then cos 0 will be the value of sin 90. So here 1. So we should just write the reverse of it. Root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and 1. Okay, now you found value of cos theta. Now how to find tan theta? You know tan, which is nothing but sin by cos. So sin is 0, cos is 1. So tan 0 is 0. Sorry, here 1, not 1, here is 0. Zero divided by anything will be 0. As you saw, tan 0 is 0 as sin by cos. Okay. Now next, tan 30. Tan 30 also, like all the tan theta values is sin by cos. So we can do like that. So tan 30 will be 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2, which will become 1 by root 3. And here 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2, which is nothing but 1. Here root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, which is root 3. And here 1 divided by 0. Any number divided by 0 is infinite. So again we found the value of another thing, another ratio. Now we go for cosec. So sec is nothing but the inverse of sine. So just the inverse. Inverse of 0 is infinity. Can't be defined. In fact, inverse of 1 by 2 is 2. Inverse of 1 by root 2 is root 2. Inverse of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. And now inverse of 1 is 1. As you saw, for cos, we just wrote this reverse. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. So sec is nothing but cos inverse. So we can write this reverse. So here 1, here 2 by root 3, here root 2, here 2, and here infinity. So you found value of 5 ratios. Now remaining is cot. Cot is nothing but inverse of tan. So inverse of tan will be 0 inverse is infinity, and 1 by root 3 inverse is root 3, 1 inverse is 1, and root 3 inverse will be 1 by root 3, and infinity inverse will be 0. Or you could write just the reverse of tan. Infinity, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, and 0. That's it. You got all the trigonometrical ratios. So, thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.